Vegan Italian inspired pasta salad with hot Italian sausage, olives, and bell peppers. Keep on watching if you want to learn how to make the salad. For the pasta salad, I'll be making an Italian dressing, so here I'm mincing up 1 small clove of garlic. You'll need some fresh Italian flat leaf parsley. You need just the leaves for this dressing, so I'm removing the stems. I'm rolling up the leaves together so it's easy to finely chop them. To make the dressing, get a small jar. You'll need 1.5 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons of vegan parmesan or ground up cashews, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, the chopped parsley, minced garlic, season with black pepper and salt. Cover the lid and shake for about 10 seconds until all the ingredients are evenly combined. You'll need to dice up some vegetables for this pasta salad. Finely dice about 1/4 red bell pepper or 2 to 3 tablespoons. Finely dice a fresh tomato, about 2 to 3 tablespoons as well. Slice some olives. You can use black olives, but my favorite are Kalamata olives, so that's what I'll be using, but you can use any olives of your choice. I'm slicing about 6 olives here. Heat a non-stick pan and add some oil. I'm going to pan fry some sliced Beyond hot Italian sausage. I just use half a sausage for 1 serving. Pan fry on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden brown. After it's cooked, remove it from the pan and allow it to cool while we cook the pasta. Bring some water to a boil and heavily salt it. When it's boiling, add some pasta. I'm using some rigatoni pasta. You can use any shape that you like, really. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Once the pasta is al dente, strain it and place it in a bowl to let it cool for 15 minutes. Once the pasta has cooled down, add the red bell pepper, olives, tomatoes, sausage, the Italian dressing we made. Give it a good toss until all the ingredients are combined well. Now it's time to serve the pasta. I like to top it off with more vegan parmesan or ground cashews, and this is the finished Italian-inspired pasta salad. And now let's give it a taste test. I love the tangy Italian dressing. It gives this pasta salad a nice freshness. I also love the fresh tomatoes and fresh bell pepper. It just makes this salad a lot lighter since we do have vegan parmesan and olive oil and sausage in here. The fresh vegetables just make this much more balanced. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. I'll see you very soon with a new video. So take care. Goodbye.